ground level. They are the fundamental one. They teaches us what 2 plus 3 is equal to 5 means. Because they try to help you. 2 means this in the mind. Plus means this in the mind. Equal to this in mind. And the mathematics structure. Always do exceptionally well. Something different, which nobody has done earlier.
When I was reading the workshop description, it said that it will help you sort your roadblocks. That was one word which attracted me to select this workshop. And when I am just attending this session, I understood what the roadblock is and how do you sort that. The showstopper or maybe the best part about is the business kundli for me. That thing is something that I am going to take back for sure for my remaining life, I guess.
First of all, a big thank you to Ashok sir for conducting us an amazing and productive session. The one thing I learned was the 80-20 rule. You take 20% to attain 80%, which is something which is very helpful in attaining certain transformations or creating such opportunities, approaches, different methods. So in overall, the session was very productive and learned various new techniques which will be helpful in life further. Thank you.
This session with a particular question in mind, I wanted answers to some confusions. So I'd love to say that 90% of it is solved. So my first confusion is I've been learning all along in this management school have a purpose in life. So I think today for the first time I understood how to realize your purpose in life, and that is the best thing which I learned today. And